Wait before you spend one more dollar on a 3D printer. Stop right there. What if I told you that a printer under can produce quality that rivals machines 4 times its price? Sounds fake, right? I thought so too until I tested 5 budget printers secretly for days, and what I found literally broke my expectations. One of them failed dramatically. But the other? It changed everything. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which budget 3D printer is the real king of and which one you should avoid at all costs. Starting at number 1. Dr. Scholl's Time Off Platform Sneaker. Why we love it. These Dr. Scholl's sneakers offer all of the support of an orthopedic shoe without ruining an outfit. Associate Editorial Director Shannon Bauer put them to the test on a recent trip to Mexico and can confirm they're comfortable enough for a lengthy travel day and stylish enough for any activity that a tropical vacation, or a busy day at home, may throw your way. Plus, the synthetic upper is super easy to clean with a cloth or magic eraser for extra tough stains. Who it's for? Anyone who values comfort and support but hates to wear an athletic shoe will love this sneaker. Worth noting, for the double knotters out there, Bauer notes you may have to pull your laces tight while wearing this shoe. Material: synthetic and fabric upper, recycled foam lining, synthetic sole, size 5'13". Shannon Bauer, Associate Editorial Director. Baby, don't sleep on brands that sound like your grandma's orthotics. These are some of the most comfortable shoes I've worn for lots of walking that aren't traditional walking shoes. There's a bit of a platform, but it has a ton of cushioning and support from the fit and the design. They went with all my dresses and outfits. I have the plain white version, but didn't feel quite as clunky as walking around in an athletic shoe. Number 2. Cariuma OCA Low. Why we love it. This low-profile, timeless sneaker strikes the perfect balance between elegant and sporty. The classic silhouette serves as an escape from constantly changing sneaker trends with an uber-simple profile and canvas construction. Plus, they're super lightweight and feature a cork insole that will mold to your foot as you walk, meaning they'll only get more comfortable with time. Who it's for? Sneaker lovers looking for a simple sneaker that is comfortable right out of the box and will stay in their wardrobe for years to come. Worth noting, the canvas upper may be prone to staining or showing dirt with wear. Jordan Julian, shopping editor. I love how these sneakers have a retro beachy vibe thanks to the canvas finish and toe cap design. They're the perfect summer sneakers to wear with anything from baggy jeans and a tank top to a sundress. Last summer, I often wore them to the beach with jean shorts and my bikini. Number 3. On Cloud 6. Why we love it. As the brand name implies, wearing these sneakers feels like, well, walking on clouds. Fitted with the brand's Cloud Tech cushioning and zero-gravity foam, this lightweight and airy sneaker provides serious comfort and support and reduces muscle fatigue. Cartwright, an RRCA-certified running coach, says these are a great option for runners and walkers who experience joint pain during activity. Breathable antimicrobial mesh panels promote air circulation and prevent odor, and you can feel good about the fact that On uses a sizable amount of recycled materials to construct this shoe. Who it's for? Anyone looking for a comfortable sneaker they can move in for hours on end will appreciate these. They're an especially great choice for those who require ample arch support, like people with flat feet or very high arches. Number 4. Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift Platform. Why we love it. When you consider how iconic, versatile, and affordable Chuck Taylor All-Stars are, it's no surprise that they've been gracing the masses' feet for over a century. These platform high-top sneakers give an updated feel to the decades-old staple. You can never go wrong with a pair of Converse sneakers, says Shopbop's senior fashion director Caroline McGuire. They're retro, cool, and easy to style. And Sharkey, DPM, a board-certified foot and ankle surgeon, notes that classic Chucks don't provide much shock absorption, but this version's lift, or subtle platform, solves this issue by adding an extra cushy foam midsole for great support and comfort. Who it's for? The person seeking a classic white sneaker that adds a cool air to their sundresses or jeans. Honestly, it's hard to go wrong with this canvas platform. Claudia Willen, associate editor, the elevated platform gives me a boost of height and adds some length to my legs, particularly when I wear long jeans with them. Aside from being versatile and flattering, they're exceedingly comfortable. I wore them during a trip to Paris and walked 20,000 plus steps a day in them. Zero blisters to report when I boarded my plane home. Number 5. Hoka Women's Bondi 9. Why we love it. Whether you're walking for leisure or knocking out your never-ending to-do list, the Bondi 8 is one of the most comfortable sneakers you can wear while getting in your steps. After all, the style received the American Podiatric Medical Association seal of acceptance for being beneficial to foot health. Ultra-cushioned, these sneakers feature a light foam midsole and extended heel geometry with a rear crash pad, keeping your steps soft and balanced. It doesn't hurt that they're cute, too. Just look at the on-trend chunky sole. Who it's for, you want a sneaker that supports your feet and looks good as you surpass your daily step goal. This sneaker is also offered in wide sizing, making it a great choice for those with wider feet. Dr. Sharkey says the Bondi is one of her go-to recommendations for those with neutral and high arches. If you have flat feet, she suggests Hoka's Arahi. Worth noting, the thick sole on the shoe can feel a bit bulky to those used to more streamlined sneaker silhouettes. So which budget 3D printer surprised me the most? You just saw it, but here's the thing, prices change fast. The links for every printer I showed you including the winner are waiting for you in the description below. Click them now before the deal disappears. And listen, if this video saved you from wasting money, do 3 things right now. Hit that like button, it really helps this channel. Share this with a friend who's thinking about buying a printer, and subscribe because I'm testing the next budget beast very soon. One last thing. The printer I didn't show you, the one that failed so badly I couldn't even include it, that story is coming next, don't miss it.